Hey, Clark.
What?
What's your favorite thing we did at the mountains?
Have fun.
But what was the most fun?
Having great fun.
Did you like seeing the animals or playing pinball or running around today at the Arboretum? What was
playing pinball.
I thought that was fun too. I'm taking video. Dad's grouchy right now. I should not have gotten him one.
So close. All right. Ready, set, pull. Look at it. Good job. Remember, don't press those buttons. Just these ones. All right, press. Ready?
The Asheville Pinball Museum is in downtown Asheville.
Not Nashville.
Not Nashville, but Asheville. They've got 35 old-fashioned pinball machines and 35 classic video games, and you can play as long as you like for $15. It's a deal. It's a big deal.
Yeah, we got tickets for $15, and despite what they said earlier, I wasn't really in a bad mood. I was just, having you got to kind of figure out parking when you get there because there's, parking on the streets, and at 5 o'clock they stop charging and stuff like that. So anyway.
He was messing with the meter.
So there's a lot of great nostalgia here, if you will. It'll take you back through time. I remember playing pinball probably as early as maybe, let's just say 1970. And there were some pinball machines from 1970.
You were born in 1970?
Yeah, for a while by then. You aren't very far behind me. Anyway, we maybe some of the pinball even played. There's a pinball machine that we played here in that thing called Pinball Wizard. In fact, a movie came out called Pinball Wizard.
No, it was called Tommy.
Okay, it was called Tommy. But it said Pinball Wizard on it, I promise.
Yes, because Elton John sang Pinball Wizard. He had a whole song about it.
Exactly right. So anyway, and in that they have like Pong, one of my earliest memories, Pong video game, and Atari, and then they had Pac-Man, Miss Pac-Man.
There's Pinball Wizard right there.
So, yeah, there's Pinball Wizard. So anyway, hey, if you're in downtown Asheville, not Nashville, you need to check this out. Go spend a couple hours there.
I need to give them some guidelines.
Well, give them some guidelines.
Okay. They're only open in the afternoon. Monday 1 to 6. Tuesday they are closed. Wednesday through Thursday, Friday 2 to 9. Saturday noon to 9 and Sunday 1 to 6. And they do get crowded.
Or if you don't remember all that, you can just look at their website.
That's true. But they get crowded on rainy days, and they get crowded the later it goes. We got there right at 2 o'clock.
It wasn't real crowded.
It wasn't, but it started to get that way.
Yeah, maybe so.
And they only allow 65 people in, so somebody always has some type of game to play. So you can get put on a wait list. They'll call you if you have to wait. You can't bring beverages or food in, but they do have food in.
They have like a bar there, kind of, right?
Well, you can buy like canned drinks and snacks.
You can have like beer.
Canned beer.
Oh, yeah, okay. And then they have like all kinds of little nostalgia things,
little collections.
Little collectibles, and so it's kind of a cool place just to.
It really is.
I mean, just if you went through it, it'd be cool. But I think they do tournaments even sometimes, and they do. They have game night and tournament night, and so they do all kinds of things to get people to come in. And anyway, if you ever were into pinball, this will take you back. There's some rich history there.
There really is. There's only 3 games that you actually have to pay to play.
Pay extra.
Everything else is your $15. You just push start. And the only thing they do is ask you to finish your game once you start one. That way somebody doesn't show up on a game that's like in the middle. And the coolest one our daughter did was Star Wars. There was a Star Wars game that she played, but she didn't do very well.
So there's there's a lot, but I think that kind of goes on behind the scenes. If you can imagine having 50 and 60-year-old pinball machines, there's a lot of maintenance that has to go on. So I think most of the machines were operational. There were a couple that looked like they were just displays.
Yeah, there were some that were displays.
But for the most part, they were all working. And
really old ones that weren't digital. I never played on one of I mean, I played on old pinball machines, but they had the digital numbers. These
No,
were like the
I
little
can
flippy
remember.
numbers.
Yeah, I definitely played on ones.
I'm not as cool as you.
You're not as old as me either, but I'm pretty cool. Besides, anyway, there's a lot of fun memories there if you go and again you grew up playing pinball machines, and then some you can see some of the kind of the video games. I think Frogger from Seinfeld fame was one of them in there, and anyway, so check it out. If you're in Asheville, we find ourselves in Asheville a lot because our grandson and daughter and son-in-law live over in North Carolina. It's a good place for us to meet them. Pretty cool place, and so we find ourselves a lot. But it's the first time we've been to the Pinball Museum, so we definitely recommend that you go.
Yes, kids would love it. Plus, they don't allow pets, but kids are welcome. So, there's Pong.
Pong right there. So anyway, hope you enjoy.
I'm gonna go. Oh wow.
Hey, thanks for coming along on this episode of Our American Travel. We sure do appreciate it, and hope you enjoyed our time at the Pinball Museum with our grandson and daughter, son-in-law, son, and
Yes.
well, we were there, yeah.
Yeah, we were there.
And so, but you saw that. So anyway, thanks for coming along. As always, we'd love it if you,
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
which goes
Ding! No, you have to do it first. You do it
which
first.
goes ding.
Ding! Yay. High five.
Remember, it's all about the
The
journey
journey
to infinity and beyond.